Ramu spent rupees 12.25 on Monday. So on Monday, Ramu spent rupees 12.25, twice that amount on Tuesday. On Tuesday, he spent 12.25. Twice means it's to be multiplied by 2. So I hope by now you should be knowing twice means multiply by 2. 2 more means add 2. 2 less means minus 2. Similarly, thrice means multiplied by 3. Such terms are very common and you should be able to understand this to solve questions like 4 times equal to multiplied by 4. So these are the terms you should know, solve questions in Olympiads. And coming to the question, and on Wednesday it is given that he spent 3 less than that spent on Tuesday. So we will subtract minus 3 from the amount what we get over here. First of all, on Tuesday, Ramu spent 12.25 multiplied by 2. So we have to multiply this. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 5, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So it's 21 and there are 2 digits to the right side of the decimal. So we'll have 2 digits over here also and then we will put a decimal. So it's rupees 24.50. So amount spent on Tuesday is 24.50. Then on Wednesday that amount will be 24.50 minus 3. It's 3 less. So minus 3. Please observe that we have put rupees 3 under the rupee part. So you know that this 24 is the rupee part and this 50 is the paise part. It is asked 3 less, rupees 3 less. So it is rupees 3. So we have to subtract rupees 3 from 24.50. As because this 3 is rupees, we will put this 3 under rupee. So it's rupees 3 is equal to rupee 3.00. So 3.00. Now you subtract this. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 2. So this much amount of money is spent on Wednesday. So the total amount spent will be equal to the sum of the 3 amounts. So that is going to be 12.25 spent on Monday, 24.50 spent on Tuesday, and 21.50 spent on Wednesday. So the total amount spent will be equal to the sum of all these 3 amounts. 5, 2, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So the total amount spent till Wednesday is equal to rupees 58.25. So the answer to this question is rupees 58.25. At this point of time, I want to tell you that you should consider practicing this decimal multiplication and decimal addition for solving such questions related to money. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.